How to fix YouTube video automatic pause problem. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your YouTube pausing automatically. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The very first thing that you want to do is open up your YouTube and make sure that you are logged into your account. And when you try to play a video on your YouTube, but it's pausing automatically, then in that case, what you need to do is first head over to your account icon at the bottom right corner, tap on the settings icon at the top right, and then tap on general. So you just have to make sure that you turn off the remind me to take a break and remind me when it's bedtime. So these options might be causing your videos to pause automatically, so just make sure to turn it off. And after you do that, open up your settings menu, head over to your app settings. And now from here, you can just find your YouTube application. Once your YouTube is open, just head over to storage and then clear cache. Now, all you have to do is head over to permissions and make sure that all of these permissions are allowed. And once you do that, just give your phone a quick restart and then you should be good to go. You also have to make sure that the battery usage is on optimized or unrestricted and then give your phone a restart. And then your problem should be fixed. If you found the tutorial helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.